Hello everyone, welcome back to a YouTube video. If you guys like jetpacks and you like jetpack games, or if you've ever played them before, I'd appreciate it if you go ahead and subscribe, because right here I have featured a jetpack game that we're going to be going over in the future videos. In the next video, I'm going to be showing you some of the stuff I'm making for this game, and right here is one of the maps I'm showing you. I'm going to be going over this map while I'm just discussing what this game's about. And you'll see some gameplay, just a little bit, and then this will be the only map I'm showing you now. You will see more in the future, but I just want to give you guys a heads up for the content because it's getting rolled out now. It's gonna start coming out, so be ready for that. And with that, please if you have any recommendations or anything like that, leave a comment down below, and always share the video, subscribe, and like. With that, I kind of want to go over with you guys about what the game's about while footage plays over in the background. And what you'll see from that footage is that this is a jetpack game, as I just told you, but it's also a sword fighting game. So you have your jetpacks, you fly around, land on obstacles. You know, we have things placed around the map here that allow you to jump on the obstacles and use them to your advantage. And at the same time, you can use those platforms to fight other people in the game. And that's the core purpose of this game. It's a jetpack fighting game. So very unique, very cool. The jetpacks have like extremely great functionality. You have freedom to control whichever direction you go towards. Control your speed, you can hover, you can do all sorts of things. I mean, that's all I really have to say about the game. I mean, this is just an introduction to the game development logs. You're going to see so much more in the future. In the future, I'll be developing or designing the actual jetpacks. That's going to actually be the next video. And you'll see so much more like map design. I still have to make another map. I think you guys will be pretty interested in this game when it comes out. And over time, as you see more development videos, I think that will add to your interest. And if you want to support the game, I'll leave some ways you can support the game. But the most you can support me and the game itself is by sharing the video, spread that this is a thing. Like, look how cool this game is, share it with your friends, your family, stuff like that. And especially if you guys enjoy my content, please subscribe, like, comment, do all those awesome things. It greatly helps me, and I always appreciate it. But until then, I'll see you guys in the development log, which will be the next video. And I hope you guys will enjoy that one too. And with that, I wish you guys a good day or a good night, depending on wherever you're from and depending on whatever time you're watching this.